two teams really do look up for this. With the quality that's out there on show, this could be special. Every point is vital in this championship race. The three on offer here today are all that matter to these players. This is the moment they spend the week working towards. Now he's in a good position. Watchful defending. Look at this, they've not picked him up. He's in on goal. Looking at Barry, he's still there. Keeper happy just to clear his lines. Oh, now they have picked him up here. Just got a touch from the keeper. On the attack. Goalkeeper clears. Played in dangerously. That's a very good piece of defending. That is not good defensive work. Not quite what was required. Well, he had a lot of time to think about that, to weigh up his options, but he should have done better. Got up to it well. He loves to run with the ball, doesn't he? He's an absolutely first half. No goals, but no lack of suspense.
He's got no choice but to book him.
Gamero. Well, this is one for the purist, I'm afraid, today. It's not really happening. Let's hope things will get better. One of the substitutes were warming up during the half-time. Some good stuff at the back. And he's through here. It's a real chance. Good save. Had to hold on. Couldn't afford to parry it there. That's a brilliant stop, and he held on to that ever so well. Thrown it out this time. Chance here. Great work for the goalkeeper. Well, he looks to me like he's not going to be denied today. He's desperate for that clean sheet, and he is doing everything to get it. Saw that coming. He's got away from his marker. Got away from his marker. Keeper was determined to get to the ball first there. He was just getting it downfield. Gamero. Got to score. Did well to get to that. There's no doubt in this goalkeeper's bravery. What impact is this going to make on the game? Both teams are going to make a substitution here. Manager looking to freshen things up here. He's bringing on not one but two substitutes. That's a complete waste of a corner. And 3 minutes to be added on here. Gamero. Look at this. They've not picked him up. He's in on goal. Shoots. He's there.
Well, they've kept going and they've kept going and they've scored right on time.
And is that the critical moment in this game? It's the goal that gives Real Madrid the lead. Well, they'll have to try to find a better pass than that one. He's put it away!
You just knew he was going to score from there.
He can score with either foot, it just doesn't matter to him. And that's the end, and it finishes 2-0.
Well, that was a really close game. Great one it was. And I'll tell you what, all credit to that team. They kept going right to the very last and nicked it at the death.
Andy, thanks for your comments today. We'll see you again for your team's next big game.